It's a rather windy evening yet again, and here we have Addy with her little babies. There's so many of them. They're cute little black heads. Hey guys! Hey guys! They are just so cute, and that little yellow one is just so yellow. Absolutely a vibrant yellow. Hey guys! I think they're done for the day. Hi! All going to bed. There they are. Must move out those other eggs. Hey you! Look at all the little babies. Are you hissing at me? Okay. Night. Hello you silly duck. Hey? What do you think of your babies? Are you excited about them? Whoa. Hello Mr. Duck. You're a silly apple, aren't ya? Where's a silly apple? Don't you just love that tail? Right, good night Mr. Duck. Say good night to everybody. Oh my goodness. They didn't go to bed. Look at them. What naughty monsters. Hey sweethearts. It is so cute. It is so cute. I've just given them some porridge. Look at them go. They are just too cute. Off to bed. This lot just does not want to go to bed. Oh, so silly. It's so cute. Night night you lot. They are so adorable. Go to bed, Addy. Yes, it's bedtime. I hope Addy finds that. I made that little house for her, but no. I think she wants a chicken coop. Oh well. Go to bed! So that's all for now on a very, very windy night from Gardener Gone Wild. So Mr. Duck says, please remember to like, subscribe and leave us a comment because we would love to hear from you. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about animals and just stay wild about life. Okay, bye bye.